here when we are talking about the variable in our Python, we no need to worry about when we are talking about the Python, we no need to worry about the execution of your data type. Okay, the data type will be considered automatically. तो डेटा टाइप के बारे में हम लोगों को सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डेटा टाइप ऑलरेडी वर्कआउट किए जाते हैं. डेटा टाइप इज गोइंग टू बी एग्जीक्यूट प्रॉपरली. So what the next thing we have to do, guys, here we have to go for the execution of next one, that is we just want to talk about some more loops now. Okay, so what is the thing we have to do, what is the thing we have to execute now? Now listen to me for the execution. So last time जो हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट दी पाइथन वो था वेरिएबल. फिर हम लोगों ने प्रोग्राम्स लिखे. वी टॉक अबाउट द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम like finding the even values, odd values, then checking for the even and odd values, then working for the execution of determining the numbers. Some more things we have worked out. Now what is the next thing we have to do today? Today we are going to about the next concept, next loop, that is a for loop. Okay, तो लास्ट जो प्रोग्राम थे वो हम लोगों ने कंसोल से इनपुट कैसे लेंगे, हम लोग कैसे वैरी करेंगे, whether the given input is admin or not. A lot of programs we have worked out last time. Now what the next story we have to do, guys? Today we are going to be talk about the execution of for loop. Okay, let's move to the next one. अब देखिए what is the story we have to execute when we are talking about a for loop. So in this case we just want to work out first first program, that is write a program. आप लोगों को पहला जो प्रोग्राम लिखना है वो अभी ये लिखना है, write a program to print hello world 10 times. Okay, write a program to print hello world 10 times. Have you clear what is the program you have to write down? Can you please write it down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write it down. Go fast. Write down the program and execute. Write a program to print hello world 10 times. हम लोगों को 10 बार प्रिंट करना है. Then we will go for the explanation of this. You have to write down a program to print hello world 10 times. Go fast. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? I just want to print hello world 10 times. Okay, I just want to print hello world 10 times. So how we can go for the execution of this? व्हॉट इज द वे टू बी राईट डाऊन. आता आपण हाच प्रोग्राम जर जावामध्ये करतो म्हटलं किंवा सीमध्ये करतो म्हटलं तर व्हॉट इज द लाईन ऑफ कोड वी आर राईट डाऊन? सिम्पली फॉर वी आर राईट डाऊन इंटीजर आय इज इक्वल्स टू 0, सेमिकोलन आय इज लेस दॅन 10, सेमिकोलन आय प्लस प्लस. ओके, सेमिकोलन आय प्लस प्लस, ओपनिंग ब्रॅकेट, ओपनिंग ब्रेस, क्लोजिंग ब्रेस, and write down here system dot out dot println or printf in bracket double quotes 10. Clear now? We can work out for the execution of this when we want to write down the program in C or Java. Okay, but when we are going to talk about the Python, जेव्हा आपण Python ची गोष्ट करतो, or when we are talking about this one, what the thing we have to work out, what the thing we have to execute. So here when we want to talk with the Python, what is the thing we need to do, what is the thing we have to execute. So same way we just want to go for the execution of Python itself. Okay, we just want to go for the execution of Python itself. Same for loop we are going to be work, but what is the change into the execution of code? What is the syntax to go for Java and what is the syntax to go for your Python programming language? In both case it is different. इथे Python मध्ये तुमचा syntax चेंज होतो. So what is the syntax we have to write down to execute it into the Python? Okay, so what is the way to be go? You have to write down the for loop for, then I in range, I in range, I in range. I is nothing but the variable. आता जसं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की पायथॉनमध्ये व्हॅरिएबल नसतो. ओके, देर इज नो व्हॅरिएबल इन टू द पायथॉन. So how we can work out for the execution of this? In what way we can work out? So here for I in range, for I in range, in bracket we have to write down initialization. When you go for the for loop of the C programming language or Java programming language, we are write down for initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Initialization असतं, condition असतं, increment किंवा decrement असतं. Same way here, when we are going to be talk about this for loop in Python, so at that time we have to write down initialization, then condition. Condition means what? Here always take less than 10. Getting my point? Here we are always taking less than 10, comma 1. 1 means what? Plus 1, incremental operator. Clear now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what the story we are going to be work out here, in what way we are executing here. Here we are just write down for I in range in bracket 0. 0 means what? Initialization. 10 means what? Condition. And 1 means what? 1 means what? Increment or decrement operator. So here I am just going to be write down print in bracket double quotes simply hello world. Okay, double quotes simply hello world. So what is the output we are getting here? We are just getting this hello world 10 times. Okay, so this is the way to execute the for loop into the Python. When we are talk about the loops into the Python, here what is the program we are write down? We have to use for I in range, I in range in bracket 0, 10. 0 पासून सुरुवात झाली आहे, 10 वरती संपेल. Okay, then 1 means what? Increment or decrement operator. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Try to execute.
-1.
Yes, if you want to go for a decrement, what we have to use? We have to use -1. Got it?
Yes.
Clear? Go fast.
Yes, sir.
Execute it fast. No, so this cursor is going to be blink here. As this cursor is going to be blink here, हा जो cursor इथे blink होतोय ना, इथनं for loop सुरू होईल. So what the thing you have to do? You have to write down this, the statement over here. Okay, so if you write down like this, see, then it will cause the indentation error issue. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Try to work out. Try to execute. Execute it fast. We have to write down a program to print hello world 10 times. हा जमला तर पुढचा जमेल. You have to go for the next one.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Now what the next story we have to do? What is the next program you have to write down? Now guys, next program, simple one. Write a program to print numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Write a program to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Simple program you have to write down. Simple program you have to execute. Okay, let's see. We will be do it first. Go fast.
Yes, sir.
Done ka?
Yes, sir.
Done all of you? Please share the screenshot. Devki.
Yes, I'll share.
Yeah. Write down a program to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Simple program we have to work out. You have to write down a program to print the numbers from 1 to 10. चलो डन ऑल ऑफ यू. काय करावं लागेल? व्हॉट इज द लॉजिक? यस, कॅन एनीवन टेल मी?
I or loop मध्ये.
For loop मध्ये I, yes or no? Yes, just we have to pass here I. What the story we have to do, guys? Here we have to pass the I for I in range, but here we have to start it from 1, huh? So if I run like this, what is the output we are getting? We are just getting 1 to 9. We are just getting 1 to 9. Clear ka, guys? Yes or no? So what to do here? What to do here? काय change करावं लागेल? Tell me. Yes, please.
We'll need to write.
Yeah. We need to write what? I want from 1 to 10, na? It's printing 1 to 9. So what is missing? What is missing here? Tell me what the change I should make.
1 to 11.
1 to 11, is it? Yes or no? Yes.
Less than equal to 10 input happen.
Less than equals to 10 will print till 9. Always less than this one. Okay, always less than this one. We have to write down a program which will print always less than this one. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So it will print a numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Now the next program we have to write down. Next program. Write a program to print the numbers from 10 to 1 now. Reverse direction में आप लोगों को print करनी है. Write down a program to print the numbers from 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Try to work out. You have to write down a program to print the numbers from 10 to 1. 10 to 1.
Answer.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Good. Sham, Prajakta, is it done?
Yes.
Okay, na? So what is the thing we have to work out? See, when we are write down here 1 comma 11, I want to print the numbers from 10 to 1. What the changes I should make? What the changes I should make? Yes, please tell me.
10
10. Yes, good.
and
Huh?
minus decrement I.
10.
Minus 1 must
Then
be
next
there.
parameter
0.
0.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And last parameter
Minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So what is the output we are getting? 10, 0, minus 1. 10, 0, minus 1. So here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear? Clear, guys? Clear now? Have you done with this? Now what is the next program? देखिए अब और आगे बढ़ते हैं. हाँ, next program, write a program to print the number from or चलो let's change it the pattern. Write a program to print even number in between even number. Write a program to print even numbers in between 1 to 10. Write a program to print even numbers from 1 to 10. Even numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. You have to write down a simple program to check or print only even number from the console. You have to write down a program to print even number from the console. Go fast. Let me know once it is done.
Sir.
Done?
Done, sir.
Okay, good. What is the line of code we have to write down? Yes, guys.
If I modulus of 2 is equals to 0, print
I modulus of 2 equals to 0. Okay, I modulus of 2 equals to 0. So what the thing we have to write down here? Zar I chi value is equals to 0 colon, then print only even number. We just want to print the even number. So here we are getting this one. Please try to execute each and every one. Huh? Clear now? Sham, are you working? Prajakta, is it executed? Yes, Prajakta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good one. I modulus of 2 equals to 0 and then run the module. What is the output we are getting? 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Ata ithe you can start it from 0 and you can finish it on 11 so that I can print, and if I change it to the 1, so what is the output we are getting? Simple one. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Get it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Try to execute. Go fast. Those who are not completed. Is it done, all of you? Should I go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see. What is the next story we have to do? What is the next story we have to execute? Huh? Listen to me carefully. Now, the next program. इसके ये एक प्रोग्राम कर लेते हैं, फिर इसके बाद एक और अलग प्रोग्राम दूंगा. Write a program to print sum of even numbers only. Write a program to print sum of even numbers only. What I'm expecting? I'm just expecting or sum, or do one thing as the place of even number, do one thing, just write down a program to print sum of all numbers. Okay, what I am expecting the output, that is the sum of all number I want. Please go for the execution. Write a program to print sum of all numbers in between 1 to 10. You can take it 1 to 10, you can take it 1 to 20, whatever you want. Go fast. You have to write down a simple program to print sum of all numbers in between 1 to 10. Go fast. Let me know once it is done. Go fast. Declared some variable, then I can say sum is equals to 0. Then what we have to write down?
In for loop sum equal to sum plus I.
Yes, simple logic. Sum is equals to sum plus I. Okay, and then print sum. Am I clear what we have to do? Is
Yes,
it clear to all of you? And at the end I am just going to print the sum. So what is the output we are getting? Sum is equals to sum plus I. It just going to be print the sum of all numbers. Means what happened? First time sum will be 0. Sum plus I. आधी I ची व्हॅल्यू 0 असेल. 0 plus 0. परत I ची व्हॅल्यू 1 होईल. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 1 म्हणजे सम मध्ये 1 स्टोर होईल. परत I ची व्हॅल्यू इन्क्रीमेंट होईल 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4. Going to be add each and every one. Am I clear, guys? Clear all of you? Okay na? Done? Sham done? Prajakta, Lina done?
Yes, sir.
Now the next program. Next program. Write a program to check 15 is prime or not. Okay, you have to write down a program to check 15 is prime or not. You have to just write down a program to check 15 is prime number or a non-prime number. Now what is meant by prime number? Can anyone tell me what is meant by prime number?
The number whose multiple is and the number is
Divisible by
A number
itself
which
or
is
divisible by itself or 1.
divisible by itself
Itself.
or 1 called as prime number. Yes or no? A number which is divisible by itself or 1 is called as prime number. अथवा if you are taken 15 is divisible by, yes, 15 is wholly divisible by. अरे 15 कुठल्या कुठल्या नंबरने डिवाइड होतो wholly?
115.
1 and only 15? Is it? Guys,
3.
3.
Five.
Is it wholly divided by 3? Yes or no? Is it wholly divided by 3?
Sir.
Yes or no?
No.
No. 3 नी 15 ला complete division होत नाही. Is it?
तर complete होते.
कंप्लीट होते ना. मग तो कम्प्लिटली डिवाइड होतोय म्हणजे तो कुठल्या कुठल्या नंबरची wholly divisible आहे? Yes. By which number it is wholly divisible?
1, 3, 5, 15.
1, 3, 5, 15. 1 नी पण डिवाइड होतो. 1 नी तर बाय डिफॉल्ट कुठलाही नंबर डिवाइड होतो. 3 5 15. 3 5 जा 15. So it is wholly divided by 3 as well. 5 3 जा again what? 15 na? Wholly divisible by 5 as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is the thing getting to be worked out. That is the thing getting to be executed now. when we are going to be talk about this one, what the thing we have to work out here and what the thing going to be execute here when we are talk about the execution of this prime number, we have to think about that whether by just accepting the number like 1 and 15, is it divisible by the remaining number in between 1 to 15. 1 to 15 मधल्या बाकीच्या नंबर्सनी हा डिव्हिजिबल आहे का. जर डिव्हिजिबल असेल तर प्राइम नंबर नाही आहे. ओके, राइट डाउन द लॉजिक, गो फास्ट. what a story we have to work out. We just want to check whether the 15 is prime or not. Okay, 15 prime आहे की नाही आहे. What is the logic we have to implement? मैंने क्या बोला कि अगर मुझे चेक करना है 1 to 15 इज इवन है, सॉरी प्राइम नंबर है या नहीं है. अब थोड़ा सा मैं इसकी जगह 7 ले लेता हूँ, थोड़ा कम डिजिट, सो दैट कि आपको इजीली समझ में, बाद में 15 पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. तो मुझे क्या करना है, आई एम टेकन ए इज इक्वल टू 7, आई वांट टू चेक वेदर दिस 7 इज अ प्राइम और नॉट. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मुझे पता है बाय डिफॉल्ट कोई भी नंबर 1 से डिविजिबल होता है, कोई भी नंबर खुद से भी डिविजिबल होता है. ओके, अगर हम लोग कोई भी नंबर की बात करें तो एनी नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय इटसेल्फ. ओके, वो खुद से डिवाइड होता है, और दूसरी चीज वो 1 से भी डिवाइड होता है. तो मुझे चेक करना क्या है, 1 के आगे का नंबर लेट्स से 2 से लेके 6 तक के नंबर से अगर ये 7 होली डिविजिबल होता है, यानी रिमाइंडर पूरा 0 आता है, तो हम लोग बोलेंगे कि ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. आर यू गेटिंग मी? कंडीशन ध्यान में आ रही है आप लोगों को, क्या बोल रहा हूं?
Yes, sir.
ओके ना. सो व्हाट द थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉक हियर, हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि अगर मेरा नंबर डिवाइड होता है ये नंबर के बीच में से, ओके, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. ओके, ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज द वे टू बी गो, व्हाट इज द वे टू बी एग्जीक्यूट. कैसे वर्कआउट करेंगे, कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन अबाउट दिस वन. नाउ सी, फॉर 1 को छोड़ देना है, सॉरी, फॉर आई इन अ रेंज 1 को छोड़ देना है, सॉरी लेफ्ट हियर 1 स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2, कब तक, तक 7. तो 7 मैंने लिया, व्हाट इट मीन्स अ नंबर लेस देन 7 इज गोइंग टू बी वर्कआउट. आर यू गेटिंग मी गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद 2,7, 1 लिखा तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, बाय डिफॉल्ट वो 1 ही होता है. ओके, बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज 1. ओके, नाउ व्हाट द नेक्स्ट, इफ अगर a को मॉड्यूलस ऑफ व्हाट, मॉड्यूलस ऑफ i इज इक्वल्स टू 0 होता है, अगर आता है तो हम लोगों को प्रिंट करना है इट इज अ नॉन प्राइम नंबर, इट इज अ नॉन प्राइम नंबर. क्लियर गाइस? ध्यान में क्या स्टोरी क्या है इसकी, व्हाट इज द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस. फर्स्टली हम लोगों ने क्या किया, वी आर जस्ट टेकन वन फॉर लूप, and within that for loop we are just executing for I in range 2,7, a modulus of I is equals to 0. a modulus of I means what, a को मैं डिवाइड करूंगा पहले 2 से, चेक करूंगा रिमाइंडर 0 आता है क्या, फिर मैं a को डिवाइड करूंगा 3 से, चेक करूंगा रिमाइंडर 0 आता है क्या, फिर 4 से, फिर 5 से, फिर 6 से. अगर यहाँ तक मुझे रिमाइंडर 0 मिला तो मैं बोल दूंगा कि वो नॉन प्राइम नंबर है. Am I clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay now, so we say that it is a non prime number. Okay, अब मैं अगर इसे रन करूँ तो what we are getting into the print, पहले 0 से 1 से डिवाइड होगा. What is, let me run it again. a modulus of y and let me run it. हाँ, अब देखिए इसमें कंडीशन ट्रू हो रही है कहीं पे, लॉजिक में गड़बड़ है यार, इट्स रॉन्ग लिटिल बिट. सी हियर, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अगर हाँ इट इज़ अ नॉन प्राइम नंबर, एल्स वी हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर इट इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है तो ये प्राइम नंबर रहेगा ना, राइट? ऐसा नो?
Yes, sir.
लॉजिक समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों के? सो व्हाट द थिंग गेटिंग टू बी वर्क आउट इनटू द फर्स्ट केस. पहले केस में बात क्या हो रही है, पहले केस में जैसे मैं 7 को अगर डिवाइड करता हूँ 2 से, 7 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, इज इट रिमाइंडर 0?
No.
No. Then 7 divided by 3, is it 0? No. 4,
No.
5,
No.
6,
No.
no. ये 0 है ही नहीं, कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड करने में 0 नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, तो वी आर जस्ट ट्रीटेड एज एन प्राइम नंबर. सो व्हाट इज आउटपुट वी आर गेटिंग? इट इज अ प्राइम, इट इज अ प्राइम, इट इज अ प्राइम. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you cleared this logic? सभी को क्लियर अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? So likewise the thing we are going to be execute. Okay, इस तरीके से हम लोग इसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, इस तरीके से हम लोग इसे वर्कआउट करते हैं. तो हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं बेसिकली, हम लोग वहाँ से लेके नंबर्स को एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं. जब नंबर की वैल्यू, अगर उसके रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू 0 आती है तो वी सेज दैट इट इज़ अ नॉन प्राइम नंबर. अगर रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू 0 आती है तो नॉन प्राइम नंबर. ओके, और अगर 0 नहीं आती है तो इट इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ ट्राई टू एग्जीक्यूट. अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं 15 को पास करूँ, पहले ये प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट कीजिए. ओके, डू वन थिंग, एग्जीक्यूट दिस वन फर्स्ट कीजिए, फिनिश दिस प्रोग्राम. क्या क्या चाहिए मुझे, एक ही बार आना चाहिए प्राइम नंबर है या नहीं है. और 15 में आपको दोनों ऑप्शन मिलेंगे, प्राइम नॉन प्राइम, प्राइम नॉन प्राइम. सो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू वर्क आउट, इट मस्ट प्रिंट ओनली वंस. विल मीट बैक अगेन ऑन टुमारो विथ सम मोर प्रोग्राम्स विल गोइंग टू बी एग्जीक्यूट. ओके, try to work out on this. We'll meet back again on tomorrow at same time. Till bye bye, good night, take care guys.